from here, we're going to customize this button. So I'm going to click on the button, click here on the link, and then I would want to link this into the anchor. So click here on section or anchor. And from here, which page? I'm just going to go for home. And then we're on page. So I'm going to go for anchor 1, where we have placed the anchor. And now when they click on that, they will be scrolled down automatically here. So that's what it would do. So I'm just going to customize the text in here. So I'm going to go for order a customized jewelry. Maybe something like that right there. And then I think that is enough. And then we'll be testing out that later on. And then the next thing is that I'm going to add a button in here. So I'm going to add a button right here so that they would be taken into the customized order page. And I'm going to go for this one again, just to be consistent with the branding. So now I'll be placing it here. So I'm just going to make it centered right there. And that's it. So I think that is good. And I'm going to go into the settings and edit to order here. And then next is I'm going to go for the design. And I'm going to make it more visible. So maybe something like this one right here. Or this. Let's see. Yeah, I think this one is good. Order here. And then I would want to link this into a page for the order form. So I'm just going to go click here on page. And now from here, I'm going to go into manage pages. And from here, I'm going to add a menu item and a new page. And then from here, I'm just going to go for contact or maybe some forms in here. So I think this one would be appropriate. So I'm just going to go for this one, for example, add page. And it will now be added. So let's just wait for it to load. So now it's loaded. And from here, I could just name this contact order page right there. And it is now named order page. So I'm just going to format this right here. I don't want it to be all caps there. So it will also be added into the menu. So now in here, I'm just going to edit this slightly. And I'm going to remove this section right here. So I'm just going to remove this because this is not a relevant information, and delete this also. And for this one, I would just keep it as it is. So yeah, that's it. So in here, this is the order form right here, for example. And then we have our phone, our email, and so on. So I'm just going to go for the phone number in here. And then the email is kjewelry@gmail.com. And here they can provide their information, first name, last name, email, and then the message in here. And then after that, this is basically where they would be able to input the details on the jewelry they would want to be made, and then hit on send. And then after that, I would be reaching out to them on discussing more details and so on. And then after that, I would be requesting a payment. So that's how the process would work. So now I'm just going to go back into the home section now that the order page is all good. And now here in the home section, we now have it right here. So here in the order here button, I'm just simply going to link the page right here. So choose a page and then the order page in here. So when they click on this button, they will be taken to the order page that we have just made. So that's it.